Hey guys, welcome back. This video is going to be less of a tutorial and more of a simple how-to, pointing you in the directions in which you need to go to in order to acquire the things that will be necessary in order to create what is called an instant replay in OBS Studio. This link will be in the description. This is the page that it will take you to, and it is literally the most simple thing you could possibly imagine in order to create content with literally the push of a button. Okay? You literally go here. It literally walks you through how to do it. You open OBS. You are going to go into your settings. You're going to go to output. You're going to check the box that says enable replay buffer. You are going to give it a time limit. For me, I've given it 25 seconds rather than 10. You're then going to apply that, hit OK. In those same general settings, you're going to check the box to automatically start the replay buffer. When you see that, then you're going to create a hotkey. In the hotkey, you want to pick something like Control-Shift-S. For me, I do not do that. I actually use the minus number, and in some occasions, I'll even use the number 8, 7, 6, or 5, as long as I don't use those numbers regularly on my keyboard. Whatever it is you choose to bind that to, just remember that. You're going to close your settings page. You're going to go into your sources. You're going to add a new media source to the current scene. You're going to call it Instant Replay. You're going to select a replay buffer file. That replay buffer file is going to be out of a folder somewhere on your computer that you want to store these clips, so that when you push the record button or the replay button, it's going to save that 20 to 25 second clip in that folder so that we can go to it then later and use that to make our videos that we're going to upload to TikTok. At the top of OBS Studio, click on Tools, then Scripts, and select Instant Replay Luau. You may go in there. You may realize you do not have this script. You will go to this site. You will download that script, which is the script that it is referring to right here. And for reference, in your OBS, you're actually going to go to Tools, Scripts. You're going to select that. You're going to choose that media source called Replays that you just created. From there, the media source drop-down menu, you're going to select media source you just added to the scene, then hit close. We just showed you that right now. I just showed you that in OBS. You're going to open up OBS Studio settings again and go to the hotkey section. There'll be a new hotkey called Instant Replay. For this guide, we'll set the hotkey to Control-Shift-R. And like I said, in my case, I choose something different. Single button is what I like to do. Now your instant replay feature is ready. Simply press the hotkey combination you just chose. And the last 25, 10 seconds, whatever time you choose, will play the media source. You can now resize the source and move it around. If you have a control device, such as a Stream Deck, you can create a hotkey action, set the hotkey to the same as is in OBS Studio, and then have the power of instant replay at the press of a button. Let's stop there. Let me pull over OBS and let me show you kind of what we just went through. So I created a scene for myself called TikTok Replay. When you hit the dash, I have stopped recording because I'm recording this right now for you guys. This is the start replay buffer. Once you click on the start replay buffer, the replay is now active. This is what the replay is. This is an overlay, which I will also put that in the Discord. I'll put the replay overlay for the replay screen. I'll put this actual piece of video in the Discord for you. And then this is the display capture, which, as you can see, I have right here. This is the stream overlay right here. And then this is our replay. What happens now? I happen to have my Stream Deck attached to the instant replay. My Stream Deck settings. If you want to set up your Stream Deck, this is what mine looks like in my replay scene. I have selected the hotkey, which is my minus button. I've added it. I've then put a delay of 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second, I've then added a source. I want it to change to the TT replay source. And then here's a timer. I want it to delay going back to anywhere for 24 seconds, which is basically how long of a clip I'm trying to record. And then lastly, I want it to shoot back over to my live after it's done playing the replay on the replay screen. So for me, I'm going to move this over. At this point, I would pause if you want to copy how I did this on your Stream Deck. Otherwise, if you don't want to use Stream Deck, you can simply choose any key on your keyboard. You can put it into this area right here in your settings. The instructions refers to this settings right here. You simply go to your hotkeys. You simply go to, whoopsies, instant replay, and you choose a hotkey. And again, if I were to just hit the minus button, it would record 25 seconds worth of a clip again. Now, the last thing, and I want to show this to you guys so that you can see it, is I have created a folder called Master Live Replays. These are all the replays I've made. This is currently the recording I'm doing right now. I have all of my recordings from OBS go into just this folder. Here is the replay we just made. Play source. And then here's a timer. I want it to delay going back to anywhere for 24 seconds, which is basically how long of a clip I'm trying to record. And then lastly, I want it to shoot back over to my live after it's done playing the replay on the replay screen. So here's the cool part. At some point, we're going to open up our software, and we currently, I believe I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 videos ready to go to drop right into my editing software to then put together. I've created another video for you guys to watch that shows you how to actually make and upload these videos to TikTok. If you have any questions, please hit me up in the Discord, DM me. Thanks for watching, you guys. I hope you're having success. This saves hours and hours and hours of time downloading VODs and going through video. Even if you're recording your whole VOD yourself, this doesn't require you to have to go back. Now, I'm not saying that if you've got some awesome clips that you didn't clip, that you didn't catch the replay on, that you don't want to go through back and pick out those from your video. By all means, do that stuff. But if you're trying to post 3 videos a day to TikTok to get that algorithm going, to get those followers, to get that key to go live on TikTok, you're going to need something to quickly pick up content, to be easily able to put it into a software, edit it really simply within a few minutes, and then load it onto TikTok every single day so that you're not spending days and days and hours editing your content. Remember, it's not the quality, it's the quantity and the right timing that's going to help you grow on TikTok. Guys, thanks again. I'll see you out there.